let me give you 5 easy ways to make sure that a holiday does not derail all the good work you've been doing to keep your weight down and your health up. First and foremost, always carry small nibblers and food with you wherever you are, right? Whether you're in a city or you're in a resort, if you are in a crowded place, whether you're on flight, whether you're in the train, a little amount of food on you automatically enables you to eat every 2 hours. When you eat small meals, you eat often and you break it up, your blood sugar levels stay balanced. When your blood sugar levels don't fall, then automatically you stay in control of your hunger, your emotions, your willpower, your motivation, your ability to say no to the wrong food and pick the right food. Easiest way to eat every 2 hours is to carry small nibblers. What I do is, say for example, I have a 5-day trip plan. So I take small Ziploc bags of, say, some kurmura, some chana, some khakra, some healthy crackers like Nourishables. You could take some nuts, walnuts, almonds. So 5 of these things, multiply them into 5 days each, so you carry 25 little packs. Every day in the morning, you make a little food bag that walks with you. It could be cute, it could be colorful. And then you put one of those 5 Ziplocs into it, to 1 or 2 whole fruits, a nice bottle of water, a small tub of yogurt, and any sandwich or something that you may have picked up that you put inside. Now, every time your phone beeps and reminds you to eat every 2 hours, open your bag, eat some, share some, automatically. You have a happier holiday because there's no crankiness, irritability that tends to happen when we keep very large gaps and we're so busy sightseeing, so busy shopping, and then suddenly hunger hits us and then we get all cranky and irritable. If you want to avoid that, eat every 2 hours. The second tip I already did give, we tend to forget when we are on holiday. To eat every 2 hours, you're not going to be reminded by your hunger. So use technology. There are apps that will beep every 2 hours. Set an alarm to eat every 2 hours. And point number 3, set an alarm to drink water. On a holiday, we tend to forget water. Either sometimes because we are all the time out and we don't have access to the bathroom, or sometimes for the fact that we have to pay a huge, nice amount of price for the water. Therefore, we tend to not drink water. The lesser water we drink, the more we focus on food. Because we're confusing hunger and thirst, we tend to only wanting to eat, which is why your holiday completely derails all the good you've been doing and you tend to gain weight once you're back home. So if you will continue to drink enough water, automatically it makes life easy when it comes to knowing the difference between hunger and thirst. Well, point number 4, sharing is caring. I'm not asking you not to try the specialities that are around you. What is authentic of this place must be tried. We've traveled all over the world. We've come all the way there. But try it. But that really doesn't mean that you have to eat the whole bit of it. Order it, have 1 or 2 bites, flavor it. Always remember, it's always the first bite that's tasty. After that, it's usually only gluttony. You paid so much money for it, you don't want to waste it, so you tend to finish it. Forget it. Let it go to waste, or it's going to go to your waste. So try and avoid finishing it, share it, leave it, that's fine, but don't finish it just because you paid for it. And last but not the least, remember, life is a balance. It's 80-20 rule, and then you can enjoy your holiday and still keep your health in your hands. I'm not saying never cheat on a holiday, but if majority of the time you're eating right, if you've eaten a good breakfast, not a sinful meal as lunch, you can tend to go a little wrong here and there when you're having dinner, or rather I would cheat at lunch and be better at dinner. So it's an 80-20 rule. So be good 80% of the time, then 20% of badmashi is fair. Food does give us happiness. We do enjoy it, and it's different everywhere that we travel, and we want to try different cultures, which is fair. But please remember that your diet doesn't have to be completely out of the window and you eat all wrong. Just because you are on a holiday, we must eat all wrong, forget about exercise, forget about water. Since you're not doing the diet, let's not even exercise, let's not even drink water, let's even ignore ourselves. Don't let all the dominoes fall. A little bit of help in those ways can still keep you on track. Please remember, mobility is far more when you're on a holiday. Whether you're sightseeing, whether you're shopping, we're always on our feet and we don't really realize that. Ticking the number of 10,000 and 12,000 steps becomes easy. So if you eat right 80% of the time, you can still go back from your holiday lighter. Now, isn't that a treat? and another incentive to plan another holiday. So use these tips, guys.